Thank you for joining us in this Codania accounting platform tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to use the built-in search functions and to what extent. In the accounting dashboard, we will simply go to our search field and type any character within our journal entries to filter them. As an example, let's start first by searching for the word cash. As you can see, any cash-related entries have been filtered. Now let's try another word, like common. Now we can see it filtered the accounts that include common in them. You can also search for a number. For this example, let's type 23. Now we will see that all the records containing 23 have been filtered out. We can also use the far left drop-down filter to limit the number of visible records on each page. Let's try selecting the Show All Loaded Records filter. As we can see, all the records are being displayed without pagination in the first page. This concludes our tutorial on how to use the built-in search function in the Codania accounting platform. To sign up to the Codania accounting platform, click on the link in the description of this video.